Once upon a time, in a peaceful farm nestled amidst rolling green hills, there lived 2 cows named Daisy and Buttercup. They were the best of friends and spent their days grazing on lush grass, basking in the warm sunshine, and exploring the wonders of the farm. Life was simple and delightful for the 2 cows. In the heart of the farm stood a cozy farmhouse where a kind farmer named Mr. Johnson lived. He had a loyal and friendly dog named Buddy, who was always by his side. Buddy and the cows had formed a special bond over time, and they enjoyed many exciting adventures together. Every morning, as the rooster crowed, Daisy and Buttercup would amble over to the farmhouse to meet Buddy. Their tails would wag with joy when they saw his wagging tail and friendly face waiting for them. One sunny morning, as the trio set off on their daily adventure, they discovered a mysterious treasure map lying on the ground. Buddy's eyes sparkled with excitement, and Daisy and Buttercup let out joyous moos. It was time for a thrilling quest. With the map in Buddy's mouth, they followed the trail through the farm, crossing babbling brooks, ducking under shady trees, and venturing into the deep forest. The 3 friends were unstoppable in their pursuit of the unknown treasure. As they trekked through the forest, they encountered various animals who tried to distract them from their mission. Sly foxes, mischievous squirrels, and curious rabbits all wanted to join their adventure. However, Buddy, Daisy, and Buttercup knew they had to stay focused and politely declined the company. Finally, after a long and exciting journey, they reached a clearing where the treasure was said to be buried. They pawed and dug with all their might until a shiny box emerged from the ground. Opening it revealed a heap of delicious treats, juicy apples, and crunchy carrots. Buddy, Daisy, and Buttercup couldn't believe their eyes. They had discovered the greatest treasure of all, a feast fit for friends. With wagging tails and happy moos, they celebrated their victory, savoring every bite of the scrumptious treats. From that day forward, the bond between Buddy, Daisy, and Buttercup grew even stronger. They continued to explore the farm, sharing laughter and creating cherished memories. Together, they reminded everyone that true friendship was the greatest treasure one could find. And so, in the enchanting farm, with its rolling green hills, the adventures of Buddy the dog and his cow friends, Daisy and Buttercup, lived on, filling the hearts of all who heard their story with warmth and joy.